and positive vibes. And guys, nowadays I'm usually very, very happy because I think the laugh and the smile and the joy of Jamaicans is contagious, and it has actually come to me, and always I feel happy, I feel so joyful, and I really thank God, because sometimes you can be moody, you can be full of thoughts, you can be full of ups and downs, but it is good to rejoice all the times. And Jamaica has actually taught us the tingle of being happy irrespective of what is happening around you. At this time, our country has got some issues politically, but that does not deter us from actually being happy, enjoying life, because God has given us this life to enjoy. Guys, I forgot to introduce the video. I want to start by thanking our new subscribers, our returning subscribers. You really are appreciated in this channel. We appreciate you. We thank you so much. And we pray that God blesses you, because you make us come here every day and tell you about the land we all love. The land of Jamaica, the land of wood and water, the land where there is joy throughout the 365 days of an year. And therefore, we are so happy to talk about this land, because they give us the motivation, they give us the inspiration that tomorrow will be okay, though today may have ups and downs. Those today, our vice president has been impeached. Tomorrow will be a better day. Though today, Kenya is a country we are going through ups and downs, tomorrow will be bright. Jamaicans have taught us that, irrespective of what we go through, irrespective of ups and downs, we rejoice and be happy and know that God is on the throne and tomorrow will be better. So guys, I started with a lot of talks without telling you the topic for today. You cannot imagine what we are going to talk about today. We are going to go through the land of wood and water and take you through one parish to the other. Though we are not in Jamaica, we are going to take you through the whole country of Jamaica, and you see the paradise on earth, because Jamaica is a paradise on earth. Jamaica, the paradise, starts from the moment you step your foot on the soil of Jamaica, either in Norman Manley International Airport, or in Sunster International Airport in Montego Bay, or in Ian Fleming International Airport in Bosco Bay. Immediately you step your foot on Jamaican soil, you are faced, or rather you see, the beauty of the flag, the color of the flag of Jamaica, decorating the airport and soothing you and welcoming you and giving you the warmth of the people of Jamaica. On top of that, you step on the soil of Jamaica and you find their traditions, the colors of the Rastafarian people, reminding you of the love of music by the Jamaican people. After leaving the airport, immediately you come across the beautiful beaches of Jamaica, the clear blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. And not even that, you are faced, or rather you see, the green vegetation, the great landscape of the land of Jamaica. And you enter to an atmosphere, a warm climate, a welcoming people, smiling people, greeting people, people who love visitors. The beauty of Jamaica starts with its people, with the colors of their flag, the colors of the Rastafarian, and you know you have stepped your foot on the land Jamaica, on the soils of Jamaica. And from then henceforth, you experience the love of the people of Jamaica through their traditions. You go facing or rather seeing the artwork from their heroes' portraits in Kingston to their Emancipation Park, where they have put statues of the heroes who fought for the independence of Jamaica. So guys, the land of paradise starts right away in the airport that I have mentioned. The 3 airports I have mentioned. You have not yet seen the land of Jamaica. You are still yet to see the greatness, the wonderful features, the God-given beauty of the land of Jamaica. Guys, I think in the whole world, if I'm not wrong, there is no such a beautiful natural beauty. Let me talk about a natural beauty. Like the beauty of Jamaica and some of the Caribbean countries. Because as you go through the different tourism sites in Jamaica, you will believe with me that there is no single country that is as beautiful as the land of Jamaica and some of the Caribbean islands. When you are actually arriving at the beaches of Jamaica, when you arrive at the beaches of Jamaica, you are met by the white sand, the clear blue waters that is inviting you for a swim, for a ride with a boat, and a lot of enjoyment along or rather in the sea. You have not yet seen the beauty of Jamaica before you go to the many rivers of Jamaica, and they are actually beautiful sights like the waterfalls, like the caves, like all the lagoons that are found in Jamaica. Let me but mention a few of the beautiful sights of the land of Jamaica. Let me go direct to Ocho Rio. And in Ocho Rio, you are met by the beauty of the Dan River, where you find the Dan River Falls. These are beautiful sights to behold. A rocky ground full of water flowing that comes to a place whereby you can actually sit and the water pours on you. The beautiful landscape of the Dan Falls, not forgetting the bridge where you can stand and see the beauty of the Dan Falls. You can actually enjoy the beautiful water of the Dan River and the coolness of the breeze of that water as you sit below the falls when the water falls on you, and you can actually climb up the Dan River. It is actually step by step climbing, enjoying the beauty of the river. It's like a water that mesmerizes people, and actually there is no tourist that goes to Jamaica without visiting the Dan Falls, because they are a beauty to behold, surrounded by vegetation, rocks that you can actually script your name to remind the people that will come later that there is a person like you who visited the Dan River. Not forgetting, along the Dan River, there are beaches. You can actually go and enjoy the water coming from above, pouring on you. What a beautiful sight to behold. You know, some of us actually hear the beauty of Jamaica and see it, and we desire each and every day that we may come there and see the beautiful paradise of Jamaica. Do not forget the Blue Mountain with its specific and variable the Blue Mountain coffee. And when you reach the Blue Mountain, the vegetation is so unique. The flowers, the wild animals, and you can have activities of hiking up the Blue Mountain. And when you reach to the peak of the mountain, you can see every part of Jamaica, including Cuba. What a beautiful sight to behold. Do you know, Jamaica, I repeat and I repeat again, it's one of the most beautiful land in the world. Not forgetting the historical sites of the people of Jamaica. The other day, I captured a video about this lady who used to get married to men, and then he kills them and she inherits their land. And you can go to the house, the White House, where she used to stay and see the historical site and experience, because I hear her ghost still goes around the house and people see her. I don't know whether that is true, but you can also go and enjoy to see the historical sites of the people of Jamaica, where the Maroons used to hide from the white masters or the colonial masters, and where they used to fight guerrilla wars in the forest with the colonial masters, and the paths they used to pass through so that they can go to where they were staying, not forgetting the branches they used to cover themselves with so that they can camouflage themselves so that they are not got by the colonial master. Jamaica is full of historical sites. There are so many historical sites, including a house where Paul Bogra and all the people that used to fight for freedom were hanged near the Emancipation Park. There are so many beautiful sites that make Jamaica a paradise. Not forgetting the Bob Marley Museum, where you go and see the house of Bob Marley, where he used to play music, where the guitar is placed, the guitar he used to play music with, and all the songs that Bob Marley composed and sang. Not forgetting the Peter Tosh Museum, where you go and see these great men and where they were composing their music and the instruments they used to use to compose their music. You are not yet done with Jamaica, because Jamaica is full of beauty. It is a paradise on earth. Guys, we have not yet visited the many lagoons in Jamaica, including the Luminous Lagoon, where you go and enjoy yourself and actually go at night and go inside the lagoon, the Luminous Lagoon, and your body glitters and you experience the beauty of the night at the Luminous Lagoon. You are not yet with Jamaica, because Jamaica has several lagoons, by the way, and you can have a check of all of them. Not forgetting the caves, very beautiful caves with limestone, white limestone carved with stones on top, a beauty to behold. And there is water flowing under. You are not yet done with Jamaica. Before you go to the rivers and you ride on the bamboo makeshifts that acts like ship to take you round the waters of Jamaica, enjoy the massage that is done when you are spreading your body on those makeshifts. And you feel the comfort of professionals that massage you, and you feel like you have rejuvenated to a newborn child. That is Jamaica for you. You have not yet gone to the streets of Jamaica, the trench town, the 14 parishes of Jamaica, and you face their traditions, their love for music, their dancing styles, their love for dancing everywhere along the streets. You find Jamaicans dancing and making merry. And if that is not enough, you go to their hotels and even the street food. We talked about the lunch box, the food box that is sold along the streets of Jamaica. And you enjoy the different cuisine, the great food of the people of Jamaica. Ackee and saltfish, the jack chicken, the rice. You enjoy all that. The curry goat in the land of Jamaica. Not forgetting, if you love music, you can attend the different concerts of the different talented musicians in Jamaica. And you shake your body, you shake your leg, and you enjoy the great vibes of the people of Jamaica. Guys, you are not yet done, because Jamaica is full of surprises. Jamaica is full of great things to behold. And that is why I have called it a paradise on earth. Not forgetting the beautiful highways that have been constructed on the roads of Jamaica, and therefore you can be able to access from one parish to the other without difficulties. And the people of Jamaica are great people. They can show you around the tourism sites, the lagoons, the many places that you can visit in the land of Jamaica. You can enjoy the beautiful land of Jamaica, the paradise on earth, by going to the Black River, where you find unique crocodiles. And if you are a lover of the wild animals, then you can enjoy yourself by having a sight of the many crocodiles found at the Black River. Jamaica has many rivers, and there are so many activities that you can actually do while you are in Jamaica. You can actually do so many activities, which some of them are so enjoyable that you can never ever get bored when you are in Jamaica. Some of the activities, most of the activities that are done by the people of Jamaica are along the rivers, in the waterfalls, in the beaches, along the beaches, and all these places are surrounded by the cool and lush vegetation of Jamaica. The great land that is green throughout the year. This is the beautiful Jamaica for you. Not forgetting the agricultural produce. You are going to enjoy the different fruits in the land of Jamaica, where they have varieties of fruits. Jamaica is a paradise on earth. There is no single fruit that I think Jamaicans don't grow. There are mangoes, there are pineapples, there are watermelons, there are ackee fruits, there are breadfruits, there are bananas, there are all types of fruits, and there are avocados, there are all types of fruits in Jamaica. When you reach Jamaica, you'll be greeted by the rich culture of the people of Jamaica. You are bound to experience the many festivals that are held in Jamaica, including the carnival, where people celebrate wearing costumes. They sing their traditions. They celebrate being free. They celebrate being in such a great and beautiful country. Not forgetting the Independence Day, when they celebrate their heroes, the Emancipation Day, the many festivals that are held in between the week. Jamaica is a great land that welcomes you and makes you feel at home. And that is how I cannot even wait to go to Jamaica. I have not yet covered all the places that Jamaica actually can offer to tourists. The Doctor's Cave, the very, very many caves that are found in Jamaica. But once we land our foot in Jamaica one day, we are going to experience and take you around the great paradise of Jamaica. I cannot wait to actually step my foot on the great paradise of Jamaica. So guys, you can actually, if you're watching me, visit the great paradise on earth, the land of Jamaica. And this will be the end of this video. Bye-bye. See you during the next video, and God bless. Kindly hit that subscription button and help us to actually reach 5,000 subscribers, and we're going to appreciate so much.